Hey traders, doing the video a little late today. Not feeling the best today. So let's take a look at this here and see what we can find. I can see a hidden divergence right here, but it's kind of like going beyond to try and make it work out, like sometimes you're looking for something that's probably not there. Well, there's a little blue doodah here. If I put it to here, it's not divergent, see? So I can't put it to the bottom of this low here because it's going down like this. And this one would be going down like that. See, that's not divergence. If you really gotta look for it, is like right here. You know what I mean? To this little blue doodah, if you see it. There, let me show you. See the little blue doodah? Yeah. Right there. Then it becomes divergence, right? But, it's all kind of iffy, right? It's all kind of iffy. So if you did do this trade, this is the open right here, okay? So you would have got in long right here, and it would have went against you a little bit. 25 ticks or something for the next 20 minutes. But it went against you 20 points or so. And then it went up. How much did it go up? Well, it went up about 160 points to the top. And yeah, and the arrow is right there on the opening of that candle. Is there any other trades along the way? Nope. There is not. Got no. There's divergence right here, high and higher highs, but we don't have an entry point. Not here anyway. But if we continue to watch it and follow it, and we went high, higher high, and higher high, right? And this here for this peak down to here, your entry would have been right there. But there was no selling before that. And me, myself, I probably wouldn't have done this trade because on the 15-minute time frame, the 5 was still above the 7 at this point in time. So I probably wouldn't have done this trade. And plus, it's outside of my, 8 o'clock to 12 noon time to trade. Okay, I wouldn't have done that trade. But I just showed it to you. Let's look at Dow Jones. I do not see divergence to buy it down here. I do not see it. Okay, there's a big valley. There's no divergence here. Now, as we go up, there's no divergence. And again, right here, high and higher high. This is divergence, right? And your entry would have been right there. But it's once again trading against the trend. The trend is up. I wouldn't have done this trade. Instead, I would have waited. I'll just put another one on. Waited for this trade. And right there. And there we go. $58 points, and it went up 65. So yeah, that would have worked out. This trade right here, which was outside of the time to trade. And we got higher highs and divergence again right up here, but this is not time to trade. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ now. Okay. Or no, not the NASDAQ, the S&P. Got a low and lower lows. See, there's no divergence here to buy it. Look, it went all the way up here. Yeah. Is there a trade on the 15-minute? Oh yeah, there's a trade on the 15-minute. See, there's divergence on all different time frames. Here's divergence here to sell, and right here is that divergence that was not formed properly on the 5 minute. Oh, no. There it is. So you would have got in right there, which was at resistance of the day. When this was a buy right here, okay, you're right near resistance, that would have been up here. Pretty sure it would have been. Let's see. Hold on. Maybe it's a little different because it's a higher time frame. Let's see. Oh, actually, no, it wasn't because it's a larger time frame and it was looking at this. We had this much higher high here. It's not near the top. It wouldn't have been near the top of the chart. So that would have been a beautiful trade. Right there on the 15-minute. Buy long, stop would have been 95 points. It went up 200. You got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. 15-minute time frame. There you go. Let's take a look at oil. Oh my God, oil took a dive. Look at that mother. Woo. When's the last time it was down there? 4 hour. Oh, look at the look at the wick on that son of a gun. Was that today? Am I looking at the 4 hour? Hold on here, ladies and gentlemen. 5 minute. Where's that freaking line? Okay, we'll put it just right there. Yeah, man. Look at that craziness. It came down $4, then went back up $2.50. Wow. Let's look at the 15-minute. Hold on. There we go. Did we have a trade here in the 15-minute? Oh, yeah. Oh, wrong line. Clicking on the wrong line. Right here. Double top. If I ever did see one, it's just perfect. It's perfecto, man. And right in there somewhere, you would have sold it. At 9 o'clock this morning, sell it there. It would have went down 90 points right there, and then whoosh, whoosh. 380 points. Your stop would have been up here. Well, that's radical, isn't it? Wow. 5 minute. You think there would be divergence here after it crashes down? No. Every time a market moves fast, too far, and too fast, it messes up the chart for the setup. There's no setup after that. Anyway, I wonder what made it drop so hard. I don't know. Some news, some political propaganda. That's what made it do that. Pound yen. Oh, Chop City, man. Chop City. Okay. Ha. Like this. Low and lower low. Like that. Yeah, you can make it up if you want it. As soon as it gave you this big bullish bar, you'd buy right here. That's all. Okay? Buy right there. Boom. Buy. Up it goes. 23 pips. Big deal. 19 pip stop. What a mess. Just let it go. Euro yen, same shit. Look at this shit. Oh, look at this shit. Oh, you've been looking. Here's the trade. Double top. Right there to there, like that. So you would have sold it right, probably right on this one, or just below this support right here. I don't know. Did it go down much? No. 20 pips. No big deal. And there's no trade to sell it here. Actually, it is if you look really close, but I'm not going to draw it in. It's just, it's kind of craziness. It's trying to find something underneath a rock that isn't there. Like trying to find a bug or a beetle crawling underneath a rock. Yeah, just forget it. Then you had a double bottom here. And it spiked up, and I wouldn't have bought it up here. After it spiked up, 13 pips. It was just a chop shop mess. But a channel. Buying off support, selling off resistance. That's all that crap is. Gold. Oh, look at gold. Look at gold. 15 minutes. What does it look like? Yeah, you can call that a double bottom. There we go. Close enough. Never mind the little deep, the gold digging, the gold digging depth of the big boys, the big dogs, the whales, whatever you want to call them. I call them big dogs. Young people call them whales. Especially in crypto. What's crypto doing? Oh. Bitcoin bounced off that 25,000. Yeah. I'm not a fan of Bitcoin, but anyway. Most people are. 216 points on gold. There's a double top right there too, hey? Hey. How's it going, eh? Bob and Doug McKenzie. All right, Bob and Doug. Having a few brewskis. Hey, you would have sold right there if you want to trade outside of the time to trade, right there. Went down 42 points. Stop is like right there, 45. You would have got your 1-to-1. Anyway, it's a nice buy and went up and went. And here's the last one, the pound. It definitely took off today, didn't it? I don't see no trade on the 5-minute there. Well, unless you count it from over here. Yeah, I guess there is. Right from here, low and lower lows. And just like that. And you would have got in somewhere in there. First went up 24 pips, and then it went up like 80 to the top. Bet you there was a divergence on the 15-minute. Look at this shit, eh? Bouncing off the main pivot, eh? See that pivot level? That's the main pivot. Look at that. Dancing on the pivot line. Yeah. When price comes down to it, they buy off of it. When price comes up to it, they sell off of it. That's what they do. I don't see nothing there. Anyway, there was one on the 5-minute on the pound. It's right there. It was a good one. Anyway, sorry for the late video. I just wasn't feeling too good today. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow and Friday.